to solve a system of a linear equation by using the inverse method. Let me have example. If you have, for example, a 3x minus 5, okay, is equal to minus 2y, and 7 equal to 4x plus 3y. Okay, how to solve this system of a linear equation? As I told for you, first we have to keep the value of x with the value of x and value of y with the value of y to write a matrix of A and B, where matrix A, it will be having the coefficient of x on a columns. In the second column it will be have the coefficient of y. So this one, it will be what? The first equation, okay, it will be a 3x transfer minus 5 to another side and minus 2y to the left hand side. It will be plus 2y equal to 5, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. Guess it is the same. If we write it in left hand side or right hand side, it will be the same. So okay, now here, so the matrix of A is equal to what? The matrix of A, it will be the coefficient of x on the first column here, the coefficient of x, and 2, 3, the coefficient of y, and B, it will be the result 5 and 7. Okay, so we want to use the inverse method. What is the meaning of inverse method? If you have a matrix A multiplied by x, where x is a matrix and A is a matrix, is equal to the matrix of B. We are divided by A divided by A. So x, it will be equal to A inverse multiplied by B. Okay, or multiply by like this. If A x equal to B, guess we are multiplied by inverse. As we know, the inverse multiplied by A inverse multiplied by A is equal to I. X equal to A inverse multiplied by B. Then x is equal to A inverse multiplied by B, where this x, it will be the value of x, y. Okay, the value of x and y. Okay, now let we solve this equation or this matrix. Okay, how we multiply? First, we say that x is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So we have to find the A inverse. How to find the A inverse? To find the A inverse, there is 3 steps. The first, we have to find the determinant of A. Where is the determinant of A? It will be equal to 9 minus 8. 3 by 3, 2 by 4. 3 by 3 and 2 by 4. And this is equal to 1. So the edge, number 2, the edges of A is equal to 3 and 3 minus 2 and minus 4. Okay, what we are do, guess we are interchange between the place of the diagonal and the sign of the number. This is will be minus 4. Okay, now number 3, you know that the A inverse, it will be equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by the edge of the edges of A. Okay, now let me multiply it. So this one B, so here x, it will be equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by 3 minus 2 minus 4 and 3 multiplied by value of B 5 to 7. Okay, 5 to 7. Now by using the multiplication method or for the inverse, we will multiply the row by the column. Okay, so here 1 over 1 is equal to 1, it is no need. So it will be a 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 7 and minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 7, and this is equal to 15 minus 14, it will be equal to 1 minus 20. Okay, minus 20 it will equal to 1. Okay, the answer it will be 1 1. So we have to check our answer if it is our answer correct or wrong. Substitute here instead of x1, it will be 3 1 minus 5 equal to minus 2 multiplied by 1. This is will be minus 2 and this is also be minus 2. So our answer is correct. This is the way of by using the inverse method. We have to find the inverse. After that, we multiply by b. Okay, like this. First, we have to find the inverse of a, then multiply it by b. Let me check it by using Excel. Okay, let me solve it by using Excel. You have a 3 2 4 and 3, where b is 5 7. So we will find it. First we will find the a inverse. Okay, first we will find the a inverse. So the a inverse minus 1, this is equal to m inverse control shift enter, and now we will multiply m inverse a inverse. Okay, font setting, we have to take it out. Okay, multiply by b. Okay, here a inverse is 2 by 2 and b is 2 by 1. So the a inverse it will be 2 by 1. Okay, because 2 will go with 2, so it will be the dimension of the outer, which is 2 by 1. We have to select 2 by 1, 2 rows and 1 columns equal to mult of a inverse, comma, b, control shift to enter. Okay, control shift to enter. It will be like this.